In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a subheading in the Gamma app quickly and easily. If you're building a presentation, document, or web page inside Gamma and you want to organize your content more clearly, subheadings can make a huge difference. They help break up your text, improve readability, and make your content look much more polished and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your Gamma project. This can be any project you're already working on, whether it's a presentation, a page, or a document. Once your project is open, look for the card where you want to add your subheading. Gamma organizes content into cards, so you'll want to click directly inside the card where the text should go. Now type the text you want to use as your subheading. This could be something like a section title, a smaller topic heading, or any line of text you want to stand out above the body content. After typing it, drag to select the text you just entered. Once the text is selected, look for the formatting toolbar. Gamma gives you text formatting options that let you style your content directly. From the toolbar, choose a smaller heading or subheading style if it's available. Depending on the layout and editing options in your project, this may appear as a heading level, a text style menu, or a formatting dropdown. When you apply the subheading style, the selected text will instantly format as a subheading. You'll notice it becomes visually distinct from normal paragraph text, which helps create a cleaner and more structured layout. If you want to make your Gamma content look even better, a good tip is to keep your subheadings short and clear. That way your audience can scan the page easily and understand the structure at a glance. You can also use consistent formatting throughout your project, so every section feels organized and easy to follow. If you don't see the exact subheading option right away, take a moment to check the text style controls again. Gamma sometimes updates its interface, so the formatting options may appear in a slightly different place depending on the version or template you're using, but the process is still the same. Click inside the card, type your text, select it, and apply the heading style. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a subheading in Gamma app. It's a simple step, but it can make your content look much more professional and much easier to read. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and other easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.